Hello! In today's video, we are using Figma, a collaborative web application for interface design to create a home feed page for Backpew, a Christian social media web app. The initial frame with the black and gray shapes is a mid-fidelity wireframe, which we use as a reference, and the shapes represent icons, images, and buttons. We then replace the shapes with designed widgets to create a high-fidelity wireframe, which closely represents what a real interface looks like. Lastly, we use the preview feature on Figma to create a digital prototype of the app, which simulates user flow on the mobile device. If you enjoyed content like this, be sure to follow us on our social media pages on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook.